Okay, so this clamp did help, but it's kind of ridiculous that I have to use a clamp and the parts aren't machined. This is the clamp I used to get the headrest close enough to the frame, and I was able to get the screws in. Let's hope it still works. So yeah, the screw looks like the screw is catching onto the thread and it's going past the frame, so that's good. And I'm able to use the Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Yeah, and it looks like it has caught on. So it looks like this is tight enough. And I'm going to tighten this now, the side. So it looks like it's finally, the headrest is installed. And this was the biggest painful point about installing this entire chair. First, the defect in the seat, which they did send me a replacement for, and then this just seems like a really bad defect. If you have to, the headrest doesn't actually properly hold on, but I guess using the clamp solved the problem, so I think that's good. If we take a closer look at this, that's what it looks like now. The screws, the bolts have gone into the recesses, and the headrest seems to be holding well. So finally got the whole chair done and installed. And we lift it up now. And that's the headrest fully installed, and it rotates to adjust the angle at which you want the headrest. So overall a good chair, but this was a real hassle installing this.